Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Rinat Khasanov, and today we're gonna talk about our prediction of American markets, financial market of USA. We will talk with the technical analysis about S&P 500, about Nasdaq, about Dow Jones. I will deliver to you the results of our portfolio, also the forecast for US dollar index and US bonds. So we begin with the S&P 500, which showed rather good results, about nearly 1% rise for the week, and more than 5% if we count year to date. The trend was not changed during that week. We still see the rise of companies with high capitalization, with very high, sky-high assets, estimations, valuation. We can use any different word, but the bubble is growing in the US market. People still think that there are gonna be some significant rise in profit of these companies. These are good companies, but their share price are not based in any estimation, any valuation. If you will try to say that this is a good price, a fair price, you will not find any reason. But the bubble is still growing. What gonna be next? You see S&P 500 and, for example, Nasdaq. This indices looks the same. It's very hard to find the difference because of very high share of such stocks. Magnificent Seven, we can call it. Mega shares, different names we can find, but these shares are still growing. They were growing several years and do that again. It's very hard to explain. No, I personally never bought them, and we still have a rather good result in the US market. But some kind of craziness really exists in the US market, and also the bubble can grow again. But I should tell you again about the RCI overbought level. We've seen some kind of up movement, but it was mostly done in one day. This one day, when we saw significant rise in all American shares, including Dow Jones. But again, some kind of problem showed in a Friday. Yes, RCI, it's a very good technical indicator, and it works. It does not allow the market to rise after the burden, but it's very it's not working like, I don't know, resistance. So if it is some kind of downing, you see, then it may go up again. But now I don't think the market will find some force to came through this line of RCI. So maybe I wait some kind of correction because of very high valuation of US stocks. Also, there is a problem in Dow Jones. I have shown to you in the previous weeks that there is bear model and very significant resistance line, blue line you see, and even though we have seen a very good day in a Thursday, but in a Friday Dow Jones came down again, and we see that it is also another reason why American market can stop its growth, maybe we will see some slowing, and then turning down again. I'm not very optimistic about any shares of USA, also about our portfolio too. You see, we have a very good week again. We have a very good year-to-date result. We have a brilliant alpha, if you can count from the beginning of our portfolio in 16 years. But probably we will sell some shares in our portfolio in a Monday, because we see some technical reversal. But mostly our portfolio is on the bottom. Most stocks on the bottom. Some are on a high. We will sell which are on a high. Also, to do US dollar index, you see that the head and shoulders model works very good. I have shown to you this model, bear model again, and you see the market even trying to came through it, but it was unable to do that. So we see some downside movement in US dollar. And what can help American market? You see that new negative model for US rising US bond yield. The yield is turning down, and which is good for American stocks. And in my view, the down in yield will help, maybe not to fall significantly, or maybe just to stay on this very high levels as we see on USA. So, to the conclusion, in my view, we will see some kind of correction in US market. We see that when we see the RCI, and also we see the Dow Jones, other part of our market, is unable to came through the resistance line. So where market to go, it will go down. Thank you very much and take care.